Hey guys, what's cooking? Today I'm here to talk you through a little recipe called buyer personas. If you've been like some of my friends and colleagues, this quarantine has got you so stir crazy, you may have even been learning and speaking a new language, literally. But you may also be working on building a new business or focusing on being an entrepreneur. One of my favorite parts of marketing is learning about your target audience. One way to do this is by creating a day in the life buyer persona. Some of what you'll need lies in doing research, but some of it can also be part imagination and creativity. One of the easiest ways to get started in your research is by placing yourself in your audience's shoes. Think about the who, what, where, why, and how about that segment of your audience. Who are you targeting? Are they other businesses, people who need you to advocate for them, or customers who like specialty hot sauces sent as a subscription box? What are their wants? Needs, likes, dislikes. Do they enjoy learning about podcasts? Do they hate reading long articles? Do they prefer chunky salsa over restaurant style? Where are they spending their time in the digital world and when? Are they business owners who are busy and read the news from their inbox in the morning before work? Do they hang out on Facebook, aimlessly scrolling through all day long? No judgment. Or do they watch YouTube videos while eating their lunch on Wednesdays? Why? Why should they care about you? They should care because you're amazing and talented and, well, duh. But think about what makes you unique and use that. And last, how can you help them? Think about what your primary target audience thinks is a problem and find out how you can solve it. What keeps them up at night? Are they feeling overwhelmed and need to save time? Do they feel helpless and in need of a new approach to finding their dream job? Do they feel their food is a bit bleh and could use your brand new set of spice blends? This recipe of a buyer persona is here to help you reach your highest potential with your new business or side hustle. If you feel stuck, let me know. I can help you be El Jefe. That means boss. Until next time, I'm Tatiana, and I'm always ready to talk about marketing.